Hola y bienvenidos a este canal. Yo soy tu maestra de español. Yo soy Susana Lescano, and my goal is to everyone to learn español. I've been an online teacher for many years. I taught Spanish to more than 1,000 kids. Eso es mucho. That's a lot, right? I have an online academy on Outschool. It's Spanish the Fun Way Academy. You should check it out if you have children, definitely. But my goal now is to upload daily free classes so adults can learn too. Por eso, that's why I need you to subscribe, like this video and all of my videos that you watch, and also please comment. What do you want to learn next? What are you interested in? En fin, bienvenido a mi canal. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it and you'll learn a lot. Please follow and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media. Links are in the description. Y también, I wanted to say that como una maestra, okay, as a teacher, I couldn't find a good Spanish book. And there are so many books, but none of them was good. So I wrote my own book because I believe the fun way is the best way. Así que, so if you want the best Spanish guide with a little bit of everything from reading to grammar to vocabulary building, juegos, games, everything, please find Spanish the Fun Way on Amazon, or if you want to find it a little bit cheaper, you can visit iloveyouinspanish.com. Nice domain, huh? Or Spanish.Education, that's my website too. Y espero que lo disfrutes. I hope you enjoy it. Remember, Spanish the Fun Way on Amazon. And please follow and subscribe. Gracias. Nos vemos.
Hola,
Adiós.
lovers of Castilian. Bienvenidos a Spanish.Education, the channel that will guide you on your path to mastering the Spanish language. Spanish.Education, master Spanish with confidence. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of Spanish? Join me as we embark on an exciting language learning adventure together. From beginner phrases to advanced grammar, we have carefully crafted lessons that will take you from hola to confidently conversing in Spanish. From hola to fluent conversations. Our interactive and engaging approach ensures that you not only learn the language but also understand its cultural context. Imagine exploring the vibrant streets of Madrid, ordering delicious tacos in Mexico City, or dancing the tango in Buenos Aires. Spanish.Education will empower you to immerse yourself fully in the Spanish-speaking world. With our comprehensive resources, you'll have access to a wide range of tools to support your language learning journey. Our carefully curated exercises, vocabulary drills, and pronunciation practice will help you build a solid foundation and develop fluency. Build a solid foundation and develop fluency. But wait, there's more. Spanish.Education is not just about language learning. We believe in creating a community of learners who support and inspire each other. Connect with fellow Spanish learners, practice your skills in a supportive environment, and share your progress with others who are on the same journey. So, whether you're planning a trip to a Spanish-speaking country, expanding your career opportunities, or simply exploring a new culture, Spanish.Education is your ultimate resource for success. Subscribe to Spanish.Education today and unlock the doors to a world of possibilities through the power of Spanish. Subscribe today, unlock a world of possibilities. No esperes más. Don't wait any longer. Join Spanish.Education and let's embark on this incredible language learning journey together. Subscribe now for your Spanish language adventure. Vamos! Let's go! Hasta luego! Spanish.Education, your key to Spanish fluency.